We're going to start by decorating this little flower, and I am going to put a little bit of icing in the center, and then I am going to cover it with multicolored dye grease. Now I am going to make the petals using pink icing. And I will try to leave a space in between each of the petals. And that's it, this cookie flower is ready. Now it's time to decorate this little chicken, and I am going to cover it with yellow icing. Now I am going to add some details using red icing. I am going to put a little bit of pink as blush, and also I am going to put a little bit of red on the feet and black icing for the eye. Now it's time for me to decorate these Easter eggs. I am going to do 3 different designs. In this one, I am just going to cover it with pink icing, and then I am going to use little Easter egg sprinkles. I am very happy that nowadays you can find a lot of different designs of sprinkles in your craft stores. For these other cookies, I cover them with icing and let them dry completely, and I am going to show you how to decorate them. You need to be sure that they are completely dry. For this one, I am going to decorate it using blue icing that I put in a tipless pastry bag. For this other cookie, I am going to use an edible marker to mark the ears, and I am going to cover them with white icing. And to make the eyes, I am going to use an edible marker. For the little nose, I am going to put a little bit of pink icing, and I will also use the edible marker to make the mustache. And this is it for today, guys. I hope that you like how I decorate these cookies. As you saw, you can use this kind of icing to decorate cookies as if you were using Royal Icing. Thank you very much for watching, and if you're new here on my channel, don't forget to subscribe and push the notification button, and see you next time, guys. Don't forget to watch part number 1 for more ideas to decorate cookies. Bye bye!